$75,000 is what you can earn yearly by utilizing a specific neighborhood strategy. This business model requires remarkably low startup capital, making it accessible for almost anyone. I interviewed a top operator who started with just $200 and hit full capacity quickly. He explained that the real trick is not the cleaning, but a specific pricing loop we will detail later. Your initial equipment setup requires an investment of only $150 total. With a standard job payout, you completely recover this entire investment within your first week. If you want to make your new business profitable from day one, then follow this execution exactly. Okay, let us examine a real-world walkthrough of a standard 3-bedroom home with 20 windows. You will charge an average price of $8 per window, which equals $160. An experienced cleaner takes exactly 90 minutes to finish, earning over $100 hourly. When you realize that is more than $1 per minute, it really makes you pause and think deeply. By cleaning just 2 houses every single day, your weekly revenue reaches $1,600. Your profit margin stays at 95% because your main supplies are just water and soap. Now, that pricing loop secret involves grouping your clients geographically to eliminate travel time. This spatial clustering method allows you to easily service 5 homes daily instead of only 2. Then you must acquire a professional squeegee, a brass scraper, and a 12-foot extension pole. Also need a heavy-duty bucket, microfiber towels, glass cleaning soap, and a secure tool belt. To simplify everything, all these required instruments are tagged directly in the video in one list. You can quickly review the items and have the products added to your cart with a single click. So, managing this schedule brings your yearly earnings to $85,000 with ease. A hidden secret of this business model is utilizing commercial pure water systems for upper floors. This highly technical setup filters minerals to let glass air dry perfectly without any wiping. Your immediate action item today is to obtain a standard local business license and liability insurance. Next, distribute 200 printed flyers in residential zones built within the last 10 years. Secure your first 3 clients by offering an introductory 15% discount for weekend work.